Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to our first vlog. Yeah, we just woke up right now. We're about to get dressed and showered, and then we're gonna head out and we're gonna take pictures for Nevaeh, my baby girl right here. Say hi.
Say hi.
Nevaeh. Nevaeh.
Hi.
Say hi. Yeah, but we're gonna get dressed and ready, and then we'll head out. And later on, I think we're gonna meet up with some friends of ours. They're gonna have a little get together. My parents are gonna be there, and their friends, and yeah, we're just gonna have a good time today. And happy Easter, by the way. Oh, she's knocked out right now, though.
She doesn't want to get up.
Baby.
Hey.
Here's what she's wearing.
Hey, look at that. Oh my god. She's out, babe.
You can see me and Bae twinning it with the shoes. Oh, she thought I was talking about her. I was talking about the truck.
Shut up.
I'm just kidding. Getting baby girl ready for some pictures. Nevaeh, Nevaeh, over here, baby. She's like, what is going on? Hey, you ready for Easter pictures? Huh? She's still out of it.
Wake up, girl. We gotta get some good pictures.
You gotta take some pictures, girl. Look how good this view is. Taking some pictures. You like your pictures? This girl trying to get bubble peanuts.
There ain't got none in there.
You addicted, girl.
I haven't had none since I was pregnant.
Nah, but we're gonna go meet up with some friends right now. They're having like a little Easter get together kind of. Everybody's gonna be over there. So they have a little Easter egg hunt. So baby girl in the video.
Nevaeh, look at daddy. She's looking at my
She's like, I want those peanuts.
You can't have these. They're hot.
Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna head over there and see what's going on over there. I'm just drinking a little nice cold Michelob, and yeah, just gonna be chilling with friends and family. See how the night goes. All right, now it's food time. We're about to get some food. Let me show you what we got on the menu. Look at those wings. Look at those wings. Excuse me, bro. What's this, bro?
Ribs, pork ribs.
Ribs.
And then they stop.
I don't want to leave.
They said, you're not going to Cologne, but you're going to downtown Panama. And we had friends when we were stationed in Alaska.
What?
That were from
Looking at my phone.
Confetti.
What the heck?
What's up, Daddy?
Damn.
Ah, now you both. That's hair goes right there. I'm sorry. Everybody out here taking pictures.
Dog, she's drinking water.
Little photo shoot.
No, not this water.
Little photo shoot out here.
It is so hot.
I know. Right now it's like 85 right now, and it's like, what time is it? Like 4 o'clock or something?
Yeah, it's hot. Oh my god. Look at her dancing. Look.
Oh my god, look at get it, baby.
Dance, baby.
Hey.
Get it, girl. Shake your booty. Shake your booty.
Shake your booty. Shake, shake, shake.
Yay!
She's so tired, so.
Come on,
Shake
baby,
your
let's dance.
booty.
Go ahead, baby. Dance solo dance. Come on.
I don't even know where to start. Oh, polo stick.
Oh god, this could be bad. I'm gonna keep recording. Hold up. Do it again.
I think I can do it. Hold on. There's someone smaller.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, I thought she was going down. I thought you were going
I
down.
used to be like the polo stick champion.
Hey, he about to do it, no hands. No hands.
I used to be so good at it.
Oh, sketchy, sketchy. Watch the beer. Watch my beer. Hold up.
Yeah, do no hands, Tony.
Oh.
Dab.
What's up, Israel?
Oh my god.
Say hi. Say hi.
Back up a little bit.
What?
Simba.
Oh, the dog right here is chilling. Uh-oh. 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 She still trying to walk.
Yeah, come on, Nevaeh. Nevaeh, come on.
Come here, baby. Look.
Get it, girl, get it. Get it, girl, get it, get it, get it. Woo! Go, Nevaeh. Come on, Granny, help me out.
That's so cute.
You're doing so good, baby. She's going straight for
Baby,
the
looking
water.
so good over there.
She's gonna make a mess.
Oh, I'm like all in the camera.
She's like, Mommy, that's my water table and I haven't even used it yet. I
thought these eggs were confetti. It turns out they're powder.
I do. I feel it on my scalp.
I'm sorry. I thought it was confetti. I didn't. Dude, look at this dude's hair. I thought it was confetti.
Look at the back of AJ's head.
AJ, come here.
He's growing old.
Oh my God. Dude, I did not know. Grab them.
Grab your eggs, baby. Grab your eggs. She thinks she's just taking pictures.
There's our first Easter egg hunt.
Nevaeh, grab your eggs.
Come on.
Look, these are all your eggs. Come on. Put it in your basket. Put it in your basket. Let's put Easter eggs in your basket.
It's so cute.
I'm gonna fill her basket up so we can take
Come here,
pictures
baby.
of it.
Here. Here. Yay! Say yay! She eating it.
Alright, watch out.
Look, yay! Look at all your eggs you got.
Did you get your eggs?
Look at those. You got a basket full, girl. Yeah.
Hurry up, go!
Oh, it's the...
There you go.
Oh.
Look, she's picking up the eggs now.
Okay, she sees everybody else doing
What are you doing? Don't check the eggs. You're checking the eggs.
He keeps opening them and he's like, nope, I don't want this one. Baby Carol got confetti all over her. Baby. Baby.
Look at the back of her head.
It's all over her. Say
Look
hi.
at her little egg she got.
Say hi to the vlog.
Say hi.
Say hi to the vlog. Say hi.
Let's fill your basket back up so you get eggs that Mommy and Daddy can eat.
The thing is falling off.
Oh, you
Just
taking
take
it
it
off?
Look. Yay! Yay!
Oh my God.
She's like, what?
What? Get him, Nevaeh. Woohoo! Look at my baby. Oh. She's doing so good. I know. Is she getting pictures? She's gonna walk towards you.
Help him out, please. He's trying to get this one. He's trying to get that one here. No.
Show me what's in this big one right there. She got me good. You hit the jackpot. Oh my
Oh,
God.
man, got mine. Somebody got me. Oh.
Oh, look at this.
Ah.
Hey, look up.
Ah. Really? Oh my God. Again.
Oh my God.
Thank
Another one. This is the weirdest day ever. Oh, you got
I'm straight covered. Straight covered. It's all good. All good though. All good in the hood.
Oh my God, that thing's never coming out of your hair.
Oh. Especially her hair.
That's never
Oh, and AJ got you. Oh. Ah. Bro, if you get me one more time. Oh my gosh, you got it. You got it. Oh, he got, what did you get?
I got the right
Powder?
shoes.
Yeah.
And confetti.
Look at
I think
baby.
I got like egg like 6 times. Hey, look. Good job.
Hey, it's on you. You better not get me.
You're in the middle of a free trial with
Don't get me. No. No. Ah! Dang, right on the teeth. Nevaeh,
Just click the upgrade button.
what are you doing with your water table?
Oh my
Splash, splash, splash.
God.
Look.
Splash.
Hey, Mom. Nevaeh, look. Hey. Look at this.
And it's not in the
Somebody got
area.
baby girl. Oh, my mom got, my dad got my mom. Oh. Dang, it's a mess. There's confetti everywhere. All over the grass.
La Barbie, que traiga algo.
Nevaeh, hit the piñata, mama. Woo! Nevaeh, hit it, girl.
Over here.
Drop it down.
Yay! She has no idea what's going on. This is so cute. Now she sees it. Get it, girl.
Right in the nose.
Oh! She's smiling.
Boom.
Get it. Woo!
Yay!
Hold it there. No, hello, Carla.
One more time. One hard one. Ready? Boom!
Oh! Good job, princess. Yay! Nevaeh, was that fun?
Just kick it.
Oh.
All right, now.
Hit!
Oh!
Get it!
Watch out.
Watch out, Junior. Back up.
Strike!
Oh!
Strike!
No, nobody singing?
I don't know the words. Oh, poor foot. Oh! Oh my God.
Go forward!
Oh my God.
No, to your left!
Oh!
Left! Your left! Your left! Your left!
Oh,
Your left! Go forward! Left! Right there! Behind you!
Oh! She broke the stick. Dang!
Really?
Hey!
No, I'm just gonna let you touch it. Go!
Oh! Don't let go of it. Don't let go of the bat.
Oh! Get it!
Oh! Don't. Oh my God. No, you do.
Dude, this swings hard. Oh!
Oh! What the hell was that? What the?
Two more! One.
Maybe it was something from the piñata.
Nah. What are you doing? Oh my God.
He wants to take it somewhere else. Like, that's not for the piñata.
I know.
Mommy?
You're not supposed to see.
Go back over there.
2, 3. All right. Hey, come here.
Okay, where am I going?
Your eyes are green right now. Look at his eyes.
Can't see anything. So light.
Ah! Don't let go of it.
Oh!
Oh!
That's it.
Oh!
Barbie's next.
All right.
Tony, back up. Is it broken?
No.
You go right ahead.
Vodka gummy bear. That's vodka, right?
You ready?
Vodka? Yeah. Vodka gummy bear. They look so bomb.
Yo, he's gonna bust his butt. Oh my God, baby, careful. He has never rode one of these before, just to put into
I
note.
rode one time. It was on the and I rode this one time.
Well, I've never seen you ride
It's called a
one.
ski stop.
His face, though.
Imagine
Just keep in your mind, if you break it, then you buy me a gold one.
Hey, that's what we do.
It's one way to
Like,
the
we don't
back.
care.
And I was like,
This is
okay.
how you got
Hey,
in
did
tonight.
it work or not?
That's all that matters.
Were you cold?
Hey, what's up, guys? We forgot to record an outro last night for the vlog. If what do you do? Say bye bye. But yeah, we forgot to record an outro last. She said bye bye. Say bye bye. yeah, we forgot to record an outro last night, so if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment on the video if you want, and share the video, please, and subscribe to see more vlogs. And we'll catch y'all next time.